Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this cute butterfly keychain in just 5 minutes. It's quick, easy, beginner-friendly, and perfect for bags or keys. To begin, hold the yarn around your fingers just like this and make a magic ring. To make the magic ring, wrap the yarn around your middle finger until a loop forms. Insert your hook under the loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Chain 2. These chains are only for height. Now we're going to work 7 half double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Chain 2 and turn the work. In round 2, we will make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So in the first stitch, make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Make the half double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around the entire round. At the end of this round, you will have 14 half double crochets. Chain 2 and turn the work. The pattern for this round is 1 half double crochet, then 1 increase. So you'll make 1 half double crochet in 5th stitch. And then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern 6 times more. At the end of round 3, you should have 21 stitches. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Use a needle to weave in the yarn tail. Repeat the pattern to make another one just like this. This will be the top part of butterfly. We need to add 1 more round here. So chain 2 and turn the work to start round 4. For this round, Work 1/2 double crochet into each stitch. By the end of this round, you should have 21 stitches in total. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Just like the other loose yarn ends, weave this one in with a needle to hide it inside the work. Take some yarn in any color you like. We're going to use this yarn to join the two pieces together. Now fold the two butterfly pieces and place them on top of each other in opposite directions. Make sure the larger piece is the top part of the butterfly and the smaller piece is the bottom part. Now wrap the same yarn tightly around the middle to hold them securely in place. As you wrap the yarn, make sure both sides are even and symmetrical, so the left and right wings don't end up too big or too small. Once you're happy with the shape, tie the yarn tightly to secure it. For the butterfly's antennae, start with a slip knot on your hook and chain 18 stitches. You can adjust the number of chains depending on how long you want the antennae to be. Then fold it in half and attach it to the top of the butterfly. Secure it firmly with yarn. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.